fall for your time.
It is 3:31 in the morning. Why can't I sleep?
Hello everybody, it's Nathan and I'm back, and welcome to Gamemaker. So today, just to keep checking this, make sure my streams are working, today we're going to be doing some game making. Who's in? So what do I want to do? So we're gonna make something like asteroids is what we're gonna make. We're gonna make like an asteroid type game. So I'm making everything from scratch. Everything will be from scratch. Yeah, I'm pack streaming, guys. I'll probably only do one, like, for, like, this month or something. I don't know. Let's get started. Let's just start right out, and let's get going. Sorry about the click. I'm using a laptop, and I'm not using a mouse, so you can hear me click. So, let's just get started immediately. So, how do I want to start this? We'll this won't be the final sprite, but let's just get something going. Something that looks pretty bad. Like that. And actually, I need to move it. Let's move it this way. There we go. Center it. Let's change the center line a little bit. Alright, so now we need to make an object. Yeah, that's a sprite. Shoot. No, don't save. There it is. OBJ underscore player. And we'll give it the spread of that. So we need to create a few variables before we do anything. And first we'll call this one speed. We'll say equals 8. No, we'll do 4. We'll do an acceleration, which is 0.2. A decel, which I equals 0.1. So we got that. So now we just need to we need to get, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm jittering. I haven't made a video or streamed in a long time. So let's see. If keyboard check vk underscore up. So instead of changing the x and y variables, we're gonna do motion. We're gonna do motion add. So adds motion in a certain direction. So we'll do the image angle, and we'll do it by acceleration. And then for left and right, all we have to do is change the image angle, and that's all we really have to do. There will be no going backwards in this. Well, plus equals 1. No. We'll do 5. If. And we'll do right. So we got that far. So now we got to do if not keyboard. Let's go check. I've made a few asteroid games like this, which is what this is going to be. An asteroid-like game. Oh, and speed is greater than point. We'll do 0. Speed minus equals decel. And we'll just say if speed is greater than or equal to speed. Speed equals speed. Alright, so now we got that done. And actually, I have to edit the sprite a little bit. We got to make it white. That's not a racist joke. I know some of you guys. I have racist viewers. I know I do. I'm gonna get for that one. All right, so we'll just call this, rum underscore test for right now, and we'll make it 60 frames a second. Put the object in there, and we need to warp the object. So, and if it goes out the room, it will warp. So let's test it, see how it works. And we get errors because assignment operator expected. Going too fast. If speed is going to speed, there we go. Left, right, we can go forward. It slows down. We can go at a certain speed, and we get warped across the room. Voila! We've made our first game. So, yeah. Alright, so we got first part of our game done. Cool. Okay. So, now we need to SPR laser, and we'll just make we'll make it 6 by 3. Make it white, not transparent. Center it. Create an object. obj underscore laser. Don't know if I'm spelling laser wrong. Don't judge me. Let's check the stream, see what it's doing. Okay, so it is working. Direction equals obj underscore. So we just need to make it so that the bullet will go towards, or not towards, will face the same way that the player will be facing, and move wherever, and shoot basically wherever the player's facing. Okay. Okay, now what do we need to do? I need to do time equals, what do we want to do? 60 times, do 120. And timer equals time. I'm gonna make this time, not timer. So all we have to do is in the step event, we'll just say time minus equals 1. And if, we need to do timer, not, if timer is less than or equal to 0, it will destroy itself, and timer equals time. So now we just have to do the same thing here. Time equals, we'll do 62 seconds. Timer equals time. Then all we have to do here is say if keyboard check vk underscore space and timer is less than or equal to 0, then we'll say instance, we'll create the laser like so, and all I have to do is up here is just say we'll just say timer minus equals 1. So let's test it out. It's working, but we forgot to do one thing. I forgot to give it a speed. We'll give it a speed of, wait a second, what are you thinking? I'm gonna give it a speed of 8. That should be plenty fast enough. And there's another glitch. We need to make this OJ. This needs to be imaging as well. Okay. That should solve that issue. I just need to make this black because it's gonna. There we go. Yeah, draw background color. We'll make it black. Like that. And what else do we need to do? Oh, yes, I need to reduce. I need to make this 90. Or more interval between each time. Voila. We need to make that even longer. We'll do one. Let's do 120. See how that works. Like my background, everybody. It's Panda. Okay, so we doing this right? Timer. Make it 240. See if this is working as I wanted it to. Oh, I know why it's not working. I'm an idiot. So we'll go back to 60 2-second intervals. And we're not setting time back. Timer equals time. That's the reason why that's not working. Now we get a nice smooth interval, and we need to make that half a second. Make that 15. No, make that 25. That should be good. Alright, so now to make the asteroids. So SBR, just make a simple asteroid. Make a simple asteroid. We'll do 64. 64. And we'll just make it completely white. And then we'll just draw an asteroid. I am no artist, just FYI. I typically use other people's textures, but since I'm making this from scratch, I have to use my own. And I don't like the look of this. Alright, so there's our asteroid. Center it up. Create obj underscore rock underscore big. Give it a sprite of SBR rock. And we need to do we need to set a random direction. Oh, I can't spell right now. Oh, excuse me. Oh. And we'll do a random 360 direction and speed. We'll give it a random speed. What do you guys think? We'll give it a random speed of 1 to 5. And all we need to do is we'll say collision with the laser. We'll say will destroy itself for right now. And we'll say with the other will destroy itself as well. Alright, and then we have to warp it so it can go outside the room. Like so. You know what? Hold on a second, guys. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. I had to just do something really quickly. Okay, so no error so far. And well, so we can destroy it and it moves in a random direction. So now let's make a little asteroid. And this will be a 32 by 32 sprite. Just make it like a nice hole there. Make it more round. Like that. Center it, and we'll say when it collides with the laser, it will destroy itself and do Alright, so now we need to copy this 4 times. And so we'll say plus 25 plus 25 okay, so then plus 25 plus 25 minus 25 minus 25, and then we can just completely take that code. Yeah, well, we need to create a new object. For right now. And let's test it out, see what it does. I'm really bad at aiming. So it should be coming out right here. It didn't. Oh, because it has no sprite. Ugh. Small rock. Try that again. And it creates little 2 rocks. So we need to warp these, saying when it's outside the room, it will warp like this in both directions. And we want it to bounce with the big rock. Bounce, not precisely all objects. Alright, so now what we need to do is it will destroy itself, but it will also create itself again randomly throughout the room, so that we'll have more of a. There's not gonna be a wave system. It will just be like a. It's like a survival. Oh shoot! There we go. That should do with that. So now what we get is something like this. And to change that collision event with the small rock, or no, the big rock. Collision event with rock big, and to make this more diverse, we'll say x equals random random height. Alright, so that's that. So now let's place a few of these in the room. And what we need to do actually is with this, we'll need to do a collision. We can copy. I'm just copy the whole code for now. Collision with laser, and we just gotta take out these right here, just to make it less typing. Yes, save code. Try it out again. And we got a little shooter going on. And you kind of get this hectic asteroids game. So now we gotta create a new object, and I'll just call this the GUI object, and we won't give it anything. And what we need to give it is, we need to give it a, so global.hp, global.score. I can't say score because that's a variable in Gamemaker. And what else do we need? I think that's everything. And we'll say global.hp equals 100, and this equals 0. So now we need to draw. So we need to draw text. Where do I want to draw this? We'll draw it 50, and then we'll draw it 50 down, and we'll say score plus string global.score. And that's that for that, and we need to draw a health bar. And I just need to, because I can't quite remember. So we'll draw it at let's draw it at 10. We'll draw it 50 down. We'll draw it, let's say 250 out, 50 down, global.hp, and then we need the back color, which would be, say, C underscore red. And then we need the min color, max color. We'll say C underscore green. No, we'll say C underscore red. Comma C. No, we'll say C underscore yellow. Let's do that. And then C underscore green. Direction. Direction. $90, I think. Okay, I'm not used to using this draw health bar. And then true, true. So let's try this. Let's just see if this works. Don't think it will. And I'm pretty stupid, aren't I? No, just for sakes, just tab that out like that. And we don't have a health bar. Yes, we do. It's right there. So the amount, back color, min color, max color, direction, show back. Why isn't that working? Hmm. One sec, guys. I gotta check something.
You want me to be someone else. You want me to change myself so you can live. It won't happen again. You want me to live.
Alright, we're back. I just, that's why I need to be there. And that should fix it. Again, forgot about that. Wonder if we do draw set color C underscore red. See if that helps. And see if this helps. So we have our score, but our health bar still isn't drawing. And how far does this go out? Did that help? Was that because of it? Don't think so. Oh, I gotta keep remembering to do this. I'm on camera. This is so sad. You know something? You know what this probably has to do with? Where I'm drawing it at. So we're drawing it X1, Y1. That's Y. Ha! Let's draw that at 10. Man, I'm stupid. That should fix this. Again, forgot about that. Because I'm pretty dumb. We're gonna have to wrap the stream up when it turns to be 4. Aha! Ha! We have a health bar. So now what we have to do is we can just say collision with. What we can do is I'm gonna set up a parent just called. We'll just call it enemy. Sorry about that. No. Alright, so we just need to make, we don't need to do anything that, but we can parent these to the enemy. That way we can set this up so with a collision with the enemy, global.hp minus equals 1, and we can say if what am I typing? And we can do an instance dish. So now we should be able to, we lose health. See? And our health bar gets different shades of color as it gets lower. See? Getting low. And our health's gone. And we died. So that's the basis of a game, guys. I hope you enjoyed this stream. I'm gonna quickly wrap it up just by saying collision with the you can global.score plus equals 1. So we got a basic little game. We got a game going now. We can get health, we can lose health. We can shoot. We got a game. Basis of one. You can copy my code and expand off of it. It's really nothing special, I guess. I'm not really doing anything with it. But it's just a fun little thing. It's really cool. First Gamemaker game I ever made was something like this. It gets crazy. Now there's still little bugs you have to fix, like with the health bar and stuff. Other than that, it's good. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys later.